If you're a homeowner in Pacific Grove thinking about updating your bathroom, you're probably asking two questions. How much is this going to cost, and how disruptive is it going to be? Those are the right questions. Let's answer them. First, scope determines everything. A simple refresh, new fixtures, fresh tile, updated vanity is a very different project than a full gut remodel with new plumbing and a reconfigured layout. Knowing which one you actually need saves you time, money, and a lot of stress. Second, permits matter more than most homeowners realize. In Salinas and Monterey, certain bathroom changes, like relocating a fixture or replacing a tub to shower enclosure, require a permit and inspection. A contractor who skips that step isn't saving you time, they're creating liability. Third, timeline is tied to planning, not just labor. Most bathroom remodels in this area take 2 to 4 weeks when everything is lined up, permits pulled, materials ordered, trades scheduled. Delays almost always trace back to the planning phase, not the work itself. If you're ready to move forward or just want to understand what your project actually involves, Legacy Painting and Renovating serves Pacific Grove and the entire Monterey Peninsula. Reach out at legacypaintingrenovating.com.